Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at a portable, foldable keyboard. Now, if you have a iPad or a MacBook or PC, this is something that you definitely want to have on your radar. So in the box, guys, we got this really cool new product that we're going to definitely be taking a look at. We're going to unbox this thing, set it up, connect it to one of my devices, and see exactly how it works, what the benefits of it are. And yeah, we'll find out today if this is going to be perfect for your household, your office, your setup, mobile or stationary, just like I'm going to use here in the studio. All right, this device was sent out to me for review, and that's what we're about to do. Let's go. All right, guys, let's take a look at what we get in the box. As you guys can see, I've taken everything out. Now, you will get a starter manual, and this is going to walk you through all of the details of this device, how to set it up, how to pair it with your different devices. You can pair it with up to 3 different devices. Also, you will see inside here some information on each specific operating system that you may be using: iOS, Mac, Windows, Android, and so on, as to what the different buttons do. That's really nice. How to identify different features with the different indicator lights here on the touchpad. So let's get right to it. All right, so we also received this little phone holder. Let me show you guys what this is. So really simple design, nothing special here. It's just one of those little clip-in styles that's going to allow you to take your phone and you'll be able to set your phone up, in portrait or in landscape, depending on how you want to use it. But it's really nice that this does come in the pack. You also get your standard USB-A to USB-C cable. You also get this really nice, kind of like a felt material travel pouch. Now, Samsers does really good with wireless devices, guys. I have a couple of their keyboards here in the studio, and I've been very, very happy with them. Some of them are foldable, some of them are other, orientations, but this is the one that we're going to be taking a look at, which is this foldable model right here. All right, so let's flip this thing open, but before we do, let me show you what we got here on the back. This kind of has this faux leather type of material on the back of it. Now, if you look at it from the front, there's no buttons, side, no buttons. And then here on this side, you can see there is your USB-C for charging it. And if you open this panel up, there is your power button right here for turning it on and off, okay? And on the front, you have your indicators. So you have your USB 1, 2, and 3, your battery indicator. Let's flip this open. And you can see these are standard keys, okay? So let's compare this to a standard keyboard just so you guys get an idea of the size comparison. Let me grab one of my keyboards. All right, so here's an Apple keyboard in comparison, just so you guys can get a look at it. So we're gonna also listen to the sound of the keys. The travel on these are very, very similar. So you're not going to feel that much of a difference when you're using this in comparison to a standard keyboard. Okay, so to check your level, you're just going to press the function and command button, and you'll see this little light start to flash here on the front. If it flashes 4 times, that's letting you know that you have 100% power. If it flashes 1 time, that means you're at 25%. 2 times would be 50%, 3 times 75%, and 4 times will give you that, like we just showed here. So that's function and command, and you will see that little light flash. There we go. Okay, so let's connect this to a device just so we can see how well this works. All right, guys, let's take a quick look at how well this types. So we're just going to go in here. We're just going to type some random, characters and numbers, but I want you guys to see how fast this types. No problems whatsoever when it comes to typing. You're using any of your other functions, really nice. And you have this integrated trackpad. So as you guys see here, I can easily move the mouse around. I can click wherever I want to. You have a right and left click button on here as well. So simply enough, all you have to do is move this to pretty much wherever you want to. So let's say I wanted to, close this for some reason. I could just go up here, hit my little mouse, hit close, and I could go in and select maybe a different app here on the iPad, with no problems whatsoever. So this is a very, very nice functional keyboard, guys, with full-size keys, and it is completely foldable. That win. And you can see the difference in comparison to this iPad. Now the iPad is a 12.9 inch. Depending on your iPad or phone, this will work with a smartphone, it will work with your Mac, it'll work with your PC. So whichever device you may have, this could be an excellent option for you. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I wanted to introduce you guys to this really cool device. Hopefully it's been helpful, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe, peace, I'm out.